Yesterday, we managed to find lovely camping. Let's see what we find today.
Whew. Another day at Nyland's Caravan Adventure. So we just found ourselves a camping site that was open, and this is what it looks like. Because we're so long, we could barely fit, so we had to be a bit on the diagonal side, and even then we hit the bushes. What is she doing in the bushes?
Okay, I'm fixing the electricity, okay?
Yes, so this is...
thought it was a good idea to park in the bush.
Don't forget to subscribe and check that bell button for more notifications. The main reason for the choice of pitch is... voila! Playground, playground, playground. You don't want to reverse into the pitch? Because I thought that I was supposed to go for food.
But then you can reverse out from the pitch.
Or you just leave it.
Leave it where?
Where it is.
Here.
Just park it.
Okay, I'll just park.
No, just leave it.
Oh, you're going to do it now?
Yeah.
Oh, but I can do it like this.
Yeah.
I don't
And
think
she's just continuing reversing. I don't know why. What are you doing?
I'm parking here. But are you going now?
Yeah, I'm going now. We just have to remove the mirrors.
Should I turn off the...
Yes, please.
Are you sure? But you were going now.
Just park it. Oh yeah, I will. Just stop. Oh yes, just a little bit reversing time.
The 11th of June, we didn't make it all the way to Colmar, but we did manage to find a camping in Belfort. Next up, we make it all the way to Acacias and Colmar. Please join us.